What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Bokeh Garage. I told you that in the last video we're going to be teaching my friend how to drive stick shift, and I'll splice in some footage in a moment. And honestly, for learning within 20-30 minutes, she did pretty good. She got confident that she wanted to drive us back to her house so that, she can get that driving experience in the road. First time jitters happened. People behind us honking and all that good stuff. Missed shifts and things like that happen. But here we are. We're going to do a quick little walk around of her 1992 NA Miata. And you guys out there, you know what these are about. You know what they're about, all that stuff. Pop-up headlights, which is the number one seller between an NA and an NB. Everyone's got to love the pop-ups. So we're going to make this quick because my camera is about to overheat and turn off. The thing, for the most part, is stock. Outside of this aftermarket trunk that has a pretty decent duckbill in it. It's also got an ISR or J2 whatever J2 Engineering whole catback exhaust. Sounds really nice. The interior is actually pretty clean. Honestly, for all things considered, for what it is, the year that it is in really good shape. We got an NB Miata, Nardi style from Japan coming in. We got a seat to replace this one with. Doors all work good. Now, I know in the past video I asked guys, are these stock on the Miata? I found out that they're not, but they are cool. The car does have AC. It does need to be refreshed, which is fine. It is a car. It is a car from the 90s. It is something that needs to be worked on, as all cars usually do. But it's in great shape. And honestly, stick shift, which I know a lot of you guys out there love to see. You love to see the stick shift. I know I do too. Look at that, guys. We get our way underneath the hood, and what do we see? It says Lion Miata, but that's because the F kind of, wore off. It's supposed to say Flying Miata. But look at that. An unmolested engine bay. The only thing aftermarket that this engine bay has that I can see is the spark plug wires. The cover's been painted, and it's got some really comfortable suspension in it. Like, just absolutely comfortable. The car has not really been molested. It's been taken care of for the most part. The funny thing of how this car came to be is the guy that we got from all the way up in Sacramento got it for his wife because she wanted it as a project car. She wanted to turn it into a girly, ooh-woo, kawaii car. Well, some unsavory people had stolen her hardtop. And when they stole the hardtop, she lost all interest in the car. It's a shame to see. It sucks. And you know that hardtop went to the East Coast. Like, just that's where all these hardtops go. When they get stolen, they get shipped off to the East Coast because just some people are horrible people. But yeah, it's gonna be a quick walk around, guys. Like I said, it's in good shape. It's got a little dings and dents here and there, but like honestly, it's for the price that was paid, the condition that it's in, clean title, running, all that. Gosh, it was literally just a diamond in the rough waiting to be rescued. And now it's with the Bokeh Garage, and we got to do stuff to it. We got plans for it. We got underglow, heart this, heart that, inner glow, lights, seats, rail, all sorts of stuff that's going to be happening in this car because she wants to turn it into one of the girliest Miatas ever. So I hope you guys are looking forward to that, just like I'm looking forward to working on it. But also what I'm looking forward to is getting out of the sun because it is kind of warm today. So remember, guys, every broken car is an adventure. Stay safe, have fun, and we will see you in the future for more car stuff like we always do. But until then, be safe. Later. All right, guys, before the battery dies, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of the Bocan Garage. We've been recording for about the last 35 minutes, teaching my friend how to drive stick shift in her brand new to her, to 1992 Miata NA. She's learning, she's doing good. But before the battery dies, because you know it's kind of warm out here, I wanted to just, make a little video, us driving in the Miata. It is a very nice condition Miata. If you guys know Miatas, usually they're not in the greatest of condition. And this thing is honestly a diamond in the rough. This thing runs really nice. I'm hoping you guys can hear the exhaust, the ISR exhaust. Confirmed, by the way, catback setup. Runs beautiful. Car drives nice. She's learning how to drive stick, and she's being brave, driving us back to her house right now. And honestly, we're gonna see how it goes. It's a really nice Miata. Outside of the steering wheel, cracking the glass, and don't worry about the windshield wiper. It has its purpose and reason, but it's in really good shape, guys. It's in really good shape. I am very impressed with it. Adventures, guys, adventures. We're learning, she's learning. Everyone starts somewhere. When you're driving stick shift for the first time, everyone gets nervous. I'm sure you guys out there know what it's like. So we listen and we don't judge, except I judge all the time. So remember pushing your clutch and your brake. Want to brake a little bit more because you're coming up to the stop pretty fast, but there you go. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna shut off the camera for right now, and we're gonna come back once we get back to her house, hopefully in one piece. You can turn up here. So we're gonna come back to her house, and then we're gonna, try and give the car a walk around before the video dies.